Hello, in today's video we will talk about ChatGPT use cases. So welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking about ChatGPT and its use cases. ChatGPT is a large language model that has been trained by OpenAI to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. It has many applications across different industries and domains, and we will be exploring some of them in today's video. So, for first case, we can use it like for customer services. I can show you now. You open up ChatGPT on your internet browser, and you can ask like a simple question. Can I So like a question where I can find the best bananas. And in few seconds we have the answer, and like a simple question where I can find the best bananas, we get an answer. Of course, you can use it for customer services on every other domain that you want. You can have your online shop and you can have ChatGPT to answer your questions. So if you, I don't know, sell a fruit, for example, if someone asks the bot in your online browser on your website page, the bot will answer it. Where from are your bananas? What is the cost? Everything that you tell the bot to do to answer to the customer. So you can use it on that way for customer services. You can use it for the most part that everyone uses it for content creation. ChatGPT can also be used to generate content for various purposes. For example, it can be used to generate product descriptions, social media posts, and even news articles. This can help content creators to save time and effort by automating the content generated process. However, it's important to know that the quality of the generated content depends on the quality of the input and the training data used to train the model. So we had a banana, for example, so we can use ask ChatGPT, can you make me a And so we ask it, can you make me a small description about bananas? So here we have it. It made a small description about bananas. So we have our only shop selling fruit. We will have the description to put by the bananas or everything else. It's example. We can use it. We can use for the third case that I have ChatGPT. We can use for education. ChatGPT can also be used for education in the education industry. For example, it can be used to create virtual teaching assistant that can answer student questions and provide personalized feedback. It can also be used to generate education content such as quizzes and study materials. This can help improve learning experience for students and reduce workload of educators. So you can ask it everything for education. So we can ask it something like this: what are the best bananas if we wanna educate ourselves on bananas? So here we have an answer. We can also tell it, can you make me can you make me a quiz about bananas? And like that, in a few seconds, we have ourselves a funny and nice little quiz about bananas. Okay, and for me, the fourth case that it can be mostly used in the best way is healthcare. ChatGPT can also be used in the healthcare industry. For example, it can be used to create virtual health assistants that can answer patients' questions and provide medical advice. It can also be used to generate medical reports and assist in medical research. This can improve and efficiate the accuracy of healthcare services and researches. So it can be used in medicine, healthcare, in hospitals to automate answers, patients' calls, and everything else. Of course, you can open your online browser on ChatGPT and you can ask it every medical question that you want. You can ask it like this. And we put this question, and here we go. In few seconds we have an answer, and it tells us about migraines: identify triggers, manage stress, stay hydrated, take over the counter pain medication, rest and relax. Again and again. Okay, we can ask it every question that we need, and it will tell us, of course. So, in the conclusion, as you can see, ChatGPT has many use cases across different industries and domains, from customer services to content creation, education, healthcare. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and each other. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and see you in the next one. Bye!